everyone. Welcome to Mary's Place. Come on in and have a seat, and I hope you enjoy my cooking videos. Let me show you how Mary does it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bake my chicken. You can bake boneless ones if you want, or you can do what I did. It was cheaper for me this way, but I air fried these. Put your own seasonings that you like on them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that chicken and you're going to, by the way, this chicken was skinless. But you're going to take that chicken and you're going to shred it up or chop it however which way you want. I like mine in kind of like a chunky, chicken. I don't know how else to put it, but that's how I like to do mine. But as you can see, it is chunky. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese to a bowl with a 8-ounce spinach pack, frozen spinach preferably. I also added some onion and bell pepper. This is the picked sweet type. I kind of make things very easy for myself. And I did add a tablespoon of garlic. Now I also did add a little bit of heavy whipping cream into this concoction. And what you're going to do is you're going to mix it up. After you get the concoction mixed up, set it to a side. And let's grab our can of artichokes. And what we're going to do is we're going to chop up the artichokes into small pieces or as big as you like. Everybody's different. I like mine a little small, on the small side. Just like this. Now you're going to add your artichokes into your mixed concoction. Sorry that I'm calling it a concoction. I don't know what else to say. Just mix it all up together really fine, and you're going to add your chicken, and you're going to add some bacon. I just added some bacon, real bacon bits that I have. I make everything as easy as I can. It's hard for me. I also added a couple tablespoons of sour cream, as you can see on top. And you just mix it all up. And you're going to spray a casserole dish and put it inside of a casserole dish. And you're going to top it with cheddar cheese or any cheese that you'd like to put on top. This is the cheese that we prefer in this house. So. After you get your cheese spread out evenly, you're going to put your oven on 375 and you're going to bake it until it's this beautiful golden brown. You want to wait for the crust on the outside to become brown a little bit. And that is my casserole. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please click the like, and please share my video out for me today. And do leave a comment. I really enjoyed the comment. And please, again, don't forget to click the like. Love you all. Have a wonderful day.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear.